Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor, professor, associate as well as the lecturer vacancies from the multiple colleges, and here we are going to see the different advertisement from the different colleges, guys. So I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the faculty job notifications with only post graduation. Fine, so without having any type of UG Senate or the PhD, so with only post graduation, here the vacancies are there, and PG plus UG Senate also vacancies are there. Okay, so let's see the clear cut details in this video. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please don't worry, guys. Mention your requirement in the comment section. So based upon that one, definitely I will come up in the next video if I got the recruitments regarding your requirements. Fine. So for that one, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Then only you will get all my videos as the immediate notifications to your mobile phones. Fine. So please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the different colleges recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UG Senate December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Academy paid courses are there. By keeping in mind the UG Senate December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. Well, coming to the present content of the video. So the first college here we are going to see is Office of the Principal, Government Women's College from Puri, and this advertisement we got on 19th August 2021. And here the walk-in interview for the post of a guest faculty in the chemistry to teach at +2 level will be held in the principal's chamber on 24th August 2021 at morning 11 o'clock. And the interested candidates having minimum 55% of marks at the post-graduation level should attend the interview with all the original certificates as per the schedule mentioned above, and the remuneration 400 rupees per class limited to 16,000 rupees per month. Right? So the candidates who are having post graduation with 55% of marks in chemistry, then you can attend for this interview, guys. To get the complete details or the main address of this college, then you may search in the Google regarding this college address, guys. Fine. And coming to the next one, Madhupur Degree College, Kalan. So here the walk-in interview is there. Lecturers in physics, chemistry, mathematics, botany, zoology, Odia, economics, sociology and English. Laboratory attendant in chemistry, physics, botany, zoology. Demonstration in education and a library attendant and 2 peons. Minimum qualification for lecturers is 55% in PG examination, and education qualification for laboratory attendant is +2 science, and for a demonstrator in education is BA in education or BA B.Ed, and for library attendant is +2 arts or science or commerce, and peons having the minimum qualification +2 pass apply within 15 days from the date of advertisement. The candidates will produce the required original testimonials in the office of the undersigned at the time of interview. Fine. So these are the details regarding this one, guys. So to get the complete details regarding this one, that means the walk-in interview date and all these things, once go to the official website of this college and get the contact number. Okay, so by contacting them, you will get the other details. Fine. And coming to the next one is INMT Bhubaneswar. So appointments for the professor lecturer in the areas of finance, marketing, HR, English, computer science and mathematics. Interested candidates may send their CV within 7 days to our email, that is info@inmt.in. Okay. So here the address is also given near some hospital, district Kurda. PIN number is there and the contact number is also there, 9938414454. So if you are having any queries regarding this one, first visit the official website to get the details, or else you may contact this number, okay, to clear whatever the doubts you are having. Fine. So it is the one thing. And coming to the next one, Ekamra College from Bhubaneswar, walk-in interview. So wanted guest faculties in commerce, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, maths, sociology, education, history, English and Sanskrit. Interested candidates having minimum 55% of marks or above in the PG level may come for the walk-in interview in the office of principal at morning 10 o'clock on 30th August, 31st August and 1st September 2021 with their biodata and all certificates. If you want to get the extra details regarding this walk-in interview, then you may visit the college official website, that is acamra.org. Fine. So here only post-graduation is enough. Okay, no need of UGC NET or the PhD qualification for this guest faculties. And coming to the next one is Office of Principal. Okay, I will just little bit zoom. Balimela College of Science and Technology. Okay, so walk-in interview. Candidates having 55% of marks in PG with second class honors in bachelor degree in the concerned subject for lecturer in economics as a guest faculty and a lecturer in mathematics, botany and zoology on a contractual basis can attend the walk-in interview with their biodata, original and photocopies of testimonials on 31st August 2021 at morning 11 o'clock in the college premises. So here the address is also mentioned. If the address is not clearly to you, then check out the complete address in the official website itself. Fine. So TADA will not be provided for attending the interview. So it is one notification. And coming to the next one, from Aditya Engineering Colleges from Andhra Pradesh. Here the walk-in interview is there on 22nd August 2021. That means today itself. And the candidates who are nearer to this college location, you may attend today itself. Okay. So for the professor, associate and assistant professor in CSC, ECE, agriculture engineering, physics and English, and the special consideration for researchers with funded projects, incentives for research papers published in journals indexed by the Scopus or Web of Science, and the revenue sharing on consultancy projects, seed money for initiation of research work, facilities available for residential, transportation, medical insurance, subsidized school, college education to children, and college buses will be available to attend the interview from Aditya Degree College beside RTC Complex Rajahmundry. Okay, and Aditya Academy Srinagar Kakinada at the 8 o'clock onwards. Fine. So Aditya Engineering College Surampalam, and here the phone number is there 9949876662. If you are having any queries regarding this one, then we contact to this number, guys, 9949876662. Fine. And coming to the last college here is St. Joseph Degree and PG College affiliated to Usmania University, Hyderabad. So faculty required. Applications are invited for the faculty positions in the following departments or subjects to teach the UG and PG courses offered in our college. Here the subjects are mass communication, journalism, psychology, commerce, economics, computer science, mathematics, statistics, physics, electronics, business management, English, French, Telugu, Hindi, Sanskrit, Arabic and physical education. And the qualification as per the UGC or Usmania University, the candidate must have the PG, post-graduation must be there. NET, SET or PhD candidates are preferred. That means they are not telling that it is a mandatory. If you are having only post-graduation also, you can apply for this one. But if you have the NET or SET or PhD, you will be preferred. Eligible candidates are asked to mail their application, resume, scanned copies of certificates to our college mail, that is info@josephscollege.ac.in. And the last date is 25th August 2021. And to get the complete details regarding this one, you may visit the official website of this college. Fine. So total, these are the different college recruitments, guys. So St. Joseph Degree and PG College and Aditya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So total, I got the recruitments from the 7 different types of colleges. If your departments are not covered here, then please mention your requirement in the comment section. So definitely I will come up in the next video if I got the requirements based upon your qualifications. Fine. So to get my videos, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Then you will get my videos as the immediate notifications. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here from Unacademy side, one announcement follows. If you're interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.